We're out for a little evening walk and look at this cool sunset. It's a little smoky, but always gorgeous. We're out by the dunes. So we're in Pebble, and this is a new gated area called Dunes Road, and they're building some big ones here. The one right here is in escrow already, and the others, there's a contemporary, there's kind of a Tahoe Lodge one. Anyway, and so here we are. Get ocean over here, and pretty amazing sunset. All right, if you need information, DeboraSandersRealtor.com. I have a blog, a newsletter, and you can also reach me if you have questions. Enjoy your evening.